Ano pong masasabi po ninyo yung mga pangyayari dyan po sa Senado, yung Senate serye? Yan, umpisa nung May 11, di ba? Kagulat-gulat, biglang napalitan po si Senate President Tito Soto. Ngayon po ay si Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano, yung naging habulan ni Senator Bato, tapos yung pagkawala ni Senator Bato, tapos ito, yung kahapon, yung privilege speech ni Senator Amy. What do you make of it? What is happening to our senators?
Oo nga, para tayong nasa isang telenovela na kung saan sinusubaybayan ng ng ating mga kababayan, at even I, I'm actually following and monitoring. Pero parang telenovela na dramatic masyado ang mga nangyayari sa Senado. But actually this is not good kasi this is the upper house of our legislative branch. So we are expecting more from our senators na even if they have differences, they should settle it out in a way na hindi tayo nagmumukhang katawa-tawa when you talk about the international community. So yun, telenovela, may umiyak. I was able to monitor sa news na Pia Cayetano was actually crying because dahil masama ang loob niya kay Hontiveros. On the other hand, Senator Amy exposed the con-ass na plano ng administrasyon. Kahapon ata yun with the video and all. So parang, ano ba talaga ang role ng mga senador?
Correct.
Yun yung dapat nilang balikan eh. Ano ba yung role nyo? Ito ba, ang Senado ba ay nagiging battleground ng dalawang political families? Kasi yun yung yun yung iniisip ko na ang Senate, especially the upper house, it's supposed to be yung job nila is legislation, oversight sa mga implementation ng laws. Pero ang nangyayari kasi at the moment, to be very honest and very frank as a Filipino, is nagiging battleground siya ng political dynamics at infighting among politicians, especially between the Duterte side and the Marcoses side, plus the allies of the Marcoses. So yun yung picture talaga na makikita mo. Ina-accuse ang majority right now, which is being headed by Senator Alan Cayetano, na they are there because of they want to protect the Vice President from the impeachment trial. On the other hand, itong minority ngayon, they're also being accused na they're on the side of the Marcoses, and now there is this rumors na mau-overthrow ang current majority. May bago na namang majority na mangyari, and Win Gatchalian's name is floating to be the next Senate President. So sabi ko, ang gulo.
Correct.
Parang every now and then, may bago kang leadership sa Senado, magpapalit ulit ng mga committees. So yung trabaho nila actually, hindi nila nagagawa. Kasi ang daming issues ng bayan. Like for example, yung flood control, that's still a pending issue.
Yes.
Ang corruption, dapat oversight function nila to investigate. And that issue is not only one issue. There's a lot of issues na dapat isolve, like energy crisis, may rotating brownout sa Pilipinas. So anong solusyon doon? Mag-aaway-aaway ba lang sila palagi dahil sa impeachment trial?